In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Snapchat Ads account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into your Snapchat Ads Manager, find your active advertising items, and delete them so your ads stop running. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Snapchat Ads. This is the quickest way to land on the right place, especially if you don't have the page bookmarked. In the results, look for the official Snapchat business site. You'll typically see a link that leads to ads.snapchat.com or business.snapchat.com. Make sure the URL is genuine and secure before you continue, so you're not entering your information on a lookalike page. Once you're on the official page, go ahead and click the Log In button. Sign in with your business account credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that as usual. After logging in, you may see multiple organizations or ad accounts if you manage more than one. Select the correct one so you work in the right place. If you don't have the necessary permissions, you may need an admin on your team to grant access before you can make changes. Next, head to the business menu at the top left of the screen and choose Manage Ads. This opens Ads Manager, where all of your campaigns, ad sets, and individual ads live. The layout can update from time to time, but look for tabs or filters that say Campaigns, Ad Sets, and Ads. If needed, use filters to show only active items so you don't miss anything that's currently running. Now select all active campaigns, ad sets, or ads that you want to remove. You can do this by checking the boxes next to each item or by using the Select All option if it's available. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct account and the right time range, since paused or archived items may also appear depending on your filters. If you want a record of performance before removal, consider downloading reports ahead of time. With your items selected, click Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental changes. Review the list one more time, then click Confirm. Deletion removes the selected campaigns, ad sets, and ads and prevents further delivery. If the Delete option is grayed out, you may need higher permissions or to ensure nothing is currently in a pending state. After confirming, refresh the page to make sure nothing remains active. Keep in mind that any recent spend can still appear on your billing later. This process focuses on removing your advertising items. If you need guidance on fully closing or restricting an ad account, check Snapchat's official help resources for the most current policies.